Hello and welcome to Blue Prism RPA training program. Well, my name is Pradeep from Netalla Innovations Private Limited. In this course you are going to learn Blue Prism, which is a robotic process automation software. This course is designed for anyone who likes to learn Blue Prism to develop RPA solution. There will be an advantage if you already know any programming language, it is not a prerequisite. I'll be covering the basic concepts you need to understand for creating an RPA solution. Now all that being said, let's see what robotic process automation is. In other words, RPA. What is RPA? RPA is one of the most buzzing word in the industry. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. It comprises of three words: robotic, process and automation. Robotic means an entity which is capable of being programmed by a computer for doing complex tasks is known as a robot. In terms of RPA, this task would be to mimic the human action. Process is nothing but a sequence of steps which lead to a meaningful activity or a task. Automation means when a task happens automatically, that is, without human intervention. To summarize, mimicking human actions to perform a sequence of steps leading to a meaningful end result without human intervention is called robotic process automation. Blue Prism is a UK-based software development company. The group supplies software robot which helps to automate clerical back-office processes. The robotic process automation concept was invented by Blue Prism in the year 2001. This fact itself shows that the company is a pioneer in RPA software development. What is Blue Prism RPA? Blue Prism is an RPA tool which holds the capability of virtual workforce creation powered by software robots. This helps enterprises automate business operations in an agile and cost-effective manner. The tool is based on the Java programming language and offers a visual designer with drag and drop functionality. This tool differs from the other tools in the market in that it uses a top-down approach. Also, Blue Prism offers a visual designer with no recorders or scripts. Now, let's see the overview of the Blue Prism tool. This is how the Blue Prism icon looks like. Just double-click on the icon. You will see a sign-in screen, in that you need to enter username, password and click on Sign In. Now you have successfully logged in. This is how the Blue Prism dashboard looks like. In this dashboard, you will see various tabs on the top, like Home, Studio, Control, Analytics, Releases and System. Total icons represents the same options as top. As of now, let's not worry about the tool. During the hands-on session you will learn everything in detail. Moving on to the next topic, we will see why anyone has to learn and take up RPA as their career. Here are 10 major reasons. First reason is popularity and high salary. Average salary for RPA developer ranges around $110,000 per year. Below table shows the salary package of RPA process designer or developer, architect and manager. Second reason is time saving and automation. With the help of RPA, manual work is reduced, as you can automate simple, repetitive tasks that take up a large percentage of a worker's time. Third reason is easy to learn. RPA doesn't need any coding or programming skills to adapt because anybody from a non-IT background can also learn Blue Prism and can start automating tasks. But yes, if you want to understand what happens on the back-end side of the automation process, then you need to have an understanding about the programming languages. Fourth reason is enhanced security. With RPA, passwords and other sensitive information are embedded in your RPA system. This nullifies the possibility of data leakage. Fifth reason is high returns on investment. It is a one-time investment on RPA with increased returns as the processes are automated, which saves both time and money. Sixth reason is less competition. RPA has need of businesses but has less expert in market, thus you stand high chances of getting RPA jobs. Seventh reason is seamless integration. RPA tool provide unparalleled flexibility in integrating with any part of your computer. Eighth reason is no downtime. Software bots can work all the time 24 hours a day for the complete year at 100% capacity. Ninth reason is provides control room. The control room feature of BP RPA distributes a single work among many bots or multiple computers, thus your process becomes faster. 10th reason is enhances manual process. Everything can't be automated, but with RPA you can automate the parts of your processes which are repetitive in nature. After hearing to all these facts about Blue Prism RPA, I am sure now you might be thinking how learning RPA can be beneficial to you. Am I right? Here is the answer for that. This is one of the recent paper article published by Economic Times. As highlighted in this article, robotic process automation will generate nearly 2 lakh jobs in India by 2021. Currently there are a lot of openings for Blue Prism RPA developer. As the world is moving towards building new processes on a day-to-day basis, the necessity to automate tedious tasks has eventually increased from small to large organizations. All of them are aiming to automate business processes to use the human resources in a better way. So robotic process automation is used extensively by these companies. To automate, companies would need more and more RPA developers, architects and so on. So guys, this is the right opportunity for you to upskill yourself with RPA. I congratulate you all for choosing Netalla platform to learn RPA. Moving on to the next section, regarding certifications. To get into a company with attractive salary package, it is very much necessary to acquire Blue Prism RPA Global certification. As you see below, Blue Prism offers a wide range of certifications, which are globally recognized. Like developer, installation engineer, professional developer, ROM architect, solution designer and technical architect. All these are proctored exams, which means you need to give exams in Pearson test centers only to qualify these certifications. Entry-level certification is RPA Developer AD01. So guys, with this, I would suggest each of you to take up this AD01 certificate and prosper in your career. So guys, now I have something exciting for you. It is regarding the companies recruiting RPA developers, programmers, consultants, and analysts. Below is the list of companies. Companies like Accenture, HCL, IBM, Ernst & Young, TCS, Capgemini, Dell, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Schneider Electric, Nokia and many more are recruiting RPA developers big time. You also have wider opportunities to get into Tier 1 companies like Google, Facebook, Flipkart and Amazon. This is all about RPA introduction. In the upcoming videos, I will explain each and every concepts of Blue Prism RPA in detail with hands-on examples. Hope you have enjoyed the session. If you have any doubts, please post your queries to pradeep.m@netalla.com. Once again, I thank all of you for choosing Netalla for learning robotic process automation RPA.